As we know, we are celebrating Mental Health and Emotional Well-being Week from 4th of October 2020 to 10th of October 2020. 10th October is celebrated as World Mental Health Day. This program is under Manodarpan. We have so many kinds of mental illness. We find ourselves filled with anxiety, stress, phobia, shame, panic, depression, traumatic stress, grief. So many times we are always brooding. Our mind is never empty. Thoughts are coming and going. Whenever we sit idle, then also our mind is full of thoughts, and thoughts generate mental illness factors. According to WHO, health is a state of being physically fit, mentally alert, socially adjustable, and emotionally balanced. However, if we see in real terms, not a single person may be called completely healthy. Whenever the mental health factors overcome the normal mental thinking, normal mental working for more than 15 days, it may become illness. Whenever an anxiety or depression or stress remains with us for more than 15 days, that thing may create mental illness. How to remove mental illness? Mental illness is dangerous, more dangerous than even death. Those who have suffered from any kind of mental ailment may know the importance of mental health. Let us talk about the factors or the things which may help us to take care of our mental health. There are so many factors, some have been put here. First, talk about your feelings. We should express our feelings either through talking with our friends, family, or we should express our feelings in our creations. Creativity is a good or very good way to express our feelings. So we should talk about our feelings, eat well. We should eat well, we should take balanced diet, we should take healthy diets, we should avoid junk food. If we take healthy diet, if we take balanced diet, our body will be healthy, and if we have a balanced, if we have a healthy body, our mind is also going to be healthy. We know it is said a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. So we must keep ourselves physically fit. Third point is talk to friends and family. We should regularly talk to our friends and family. There should be an opportunity on regular basis for get together. It is said at least one meal should be taken by all the family members together. Similarly, we should talk to our friends also. Whenever we are in difficulty or we are under stress or we have anxiety about something, we must talk to our friends. those friends who can help us, guide us, those friends who can counsel us. Similarly, we should talk to our family members. Next point is keep active. We should be active. When we are active, bad thoughts, thoughts which generate stress may not be able to come to our brain. If we are active, our brain also remains active, and brain doesn't generate any kind of unuseful thoughts in that case. So we should be active. We should always be active to keep ourselves physically fit and mentally alert. Next point is ask for help. Whenever we have a great challenge and we are unable to find a solution, we must talk, we must ask help, we must seek help from others. Similarly, when someone is seeking help, we should extend help. By this kind of mutual cooperation, society becomes a good place to live in, and happiness grows. Joy grows in such a situation where everybody is helping the other. When there is helping nature among individuals in a society grows leaps and bounds. There is no case, no, there will be no case of mental illness. Next point is take a break. Monotonous life can lead to worries, tensions, stress. When we have a break, our mind gets relief and cells of brain get rejuvenated. Our body gets relaxation, our body gets rest. If we have a break, we become joyful, happy. Our mind and body get chances to get relief from anxiety, worries, tensions, stress. You know, we go to office, schools from Monday to Saturday. However, on Sunday we have a break. This kind of break system has been made to keep everyone mentally healthy, joyful, happy, so that there is a break from monotonous life, stress generating life. So we must take a break from stress, from anxiety, from fear, from depression through sharing and caring with our family and friends. Next point is do something you are good at. We must take part in some co-curricular activities. We should do something at which we are good. We should write some story. We should compose a poem. We should do some gardening or agriculture or any other thing which we like. In simple terms, we all must have some hobbies and we must pursue hobbies. We should have some time to devote, to invest in doing our hobbies. If we create something, if we engage in our hobbies, our mind becomes relaxed, we become satisfied with our lives. And if we are satisfied with our lives, we are happy, we are joyful, our mental health is good. Here we should take one more point in consideration. We should show our gratitude. By doing something good, we should show our gratitude to them who have helped us to learn those things. Next point is accept who you are. We must understand our strengths and weaknesses. We must understand our limitations. We must understand our capabilities. We must understand what we are good at. We should understand our intelligence, our motivation, our attitude and aptitude. We must accept what we are. This means accepting the reality about our personality, about our situation, about our place. This will certainly help us to create realistic goals. And if we make realistic goals, if we make realistic objectives, these goals will be fulfilled by us. So we must accept who we are. And next point is care for others. We should care for others. Caring for others makes our lives happy, joyful. If we care for others, others care for us. If we take care of mental health of others, others take care of our mental health. It is said, what we expect for ourselves, we should behave accordingly with others. So do what you want for you, do the same thing for others. This kind of thing will certainly help our mental health, and we will become mentally alert, mentally healthy. We will remain emotionally well. If we take care of all these factors, we will remain emotionally balanced, and world will be a happy place to live in. Thank you all. Thank you.